Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we start dispensing pharmacy last lecture. In last lecture, we have discussed two types of incompatibilities: physical incompatibilities and therapeutic incompatibilities. Now we will discuss chemical incompatibilities. Chemical incompatibilities occurs as a result of chemical reaction, such as effervescence, precipitation, color changes. It can be immediate or it can be delayed. In chemical incompatibility, there are different types uh, occurs. Following are the types of reaction that occurs: oxidation, hydrolysis, polymerization, combustion reactions, isomerization, decarboxylation, formation of insoluble complexes. We will discuss step by step these types which occurs. On the top, oxidation. Oxidation refers to the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. The factors which leads to oxidation air includes pressure of oxygen. Increased pressure, if we increased pressure of oxygen will lead to oxidation of the ingredients. Then light. Presence of light may cause photochemical oxidation reactions. Then temperature. Elevated temperature leads to oxidation of ingredients. pH. Every drug has its optimum pH for stability. Therefore, change in the pH may affect the stability of the drug and may cause its oxidation. Pharmaceutical dosage form. Oxidation reactions occur in solutions faster than in solid dosage forms. So, presence of preoxidants leads to oxidation of ingredients such as metals, peroxides. Types of solvents are vehicle used. Oxidation occurs faster in aqueous solvent, vehicles that others, vehicles than others. Presence of unsaturated bonds. Presence of unsaturation, double or triple bond leads to easier oxidation than saturated bonds. So, uh, if we discuss about oxidation, then prevention measures taken to prevent oxidation reactions include, which are prevent measures: addition of antioxidants to avoid oxidation. Oxidants are used, for example, vitamin E, vitamin C, and inorganic sulfur compounds. Example: polysulfide and thiosulfate. Protection from pre-oxidants, addition of chemical which form complexes with metal. For example, EDTA, benzalkonium chloride. Protection from light. When we discuss about protection from light, the drug ingredients must be protected from light by using dark containers for packing, storage of formulation in dark places, or by packaging with substances which absorb light. For example, oxybenzene. So, choice dosage form also occurs. Suitable dosage form must be selected, which reduces the possibility of oxidation. For example, solid dosage forms are better over solutions. Maintenance of pH. Buffers must be used to maintain the pH of the stability of the drug ingredients. Choice of suitable solvent or vehicle. Hydroalcoholic or alcoholic vehicles are used instead of aqueous vehicle to overcome oxidation. Maintenance of temperature, storage at low temperature prevent oxidation. So these are some factors about oxidation prevention. Then protection from air also. Oxidation can be avoided by packaging the formulation in well-closed container or by the replacement of oxygen by nitrogen inside the container. Chemical groups that are susceptible to oxidation. Phenolic compounds, phenylphene, catechol derivatives, adrenaline, noradrenaline, antibiotics, tetracycline, oils, fixed oils. In oils, there are fixed oils and volatile oils. Vitamins, lipid soluble vitamins, and water soluble vitamins. These all occur in these steps. After oxidation, there is hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? Breakdown of chemical compound in presence of moisture, water is called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is of two types, ionic hydrolysis and molecular hydrolysis. The breakdown of ionic compounds into its positive and negative ions. Example, codeine phosphate reversibly broken down to codeine and phosphate. Molecular hydrolysis, it is defined as the breakdown of whole molecule into its components. For example, acetyl salicylic acid irreversibly broken down into salicylic acid and acetic acid. The factors which leads to hydrolysis are mentioned below. Presence of water. These are factors which affect the hydrolysis. Presence of water leads to hydrolysis of formulation ingredients. Then use of water for vehicle. Using of water vehicle for formulation may cause hydrolysis. pH. Every drug has its optimum pH for stability. Therefore, change in the pH may affect the stability of the drug and may cause its hydrolysis. For example, optimum pH for atropine is 3.1 to, to 4. To 4.5. Temperature. High temperature during autoclaving may leads to hydrolysis of the formulation. Then prevention measures to prevent hydrolysis during compounding and includes protection from moisture. It can done by packing with such substances which are impermeable to water, addition of rehydration agents. Hydrolysis can be avoided by the addition of substances that absorb water, for example, silica gel, calcium carbonate. Use of vehicle hydrolysis can be prevented by using vehicle other than water, for example, alcohol. Maintenance of pH buffers must be used to maintain the pH for the stability of the drug ingredients. Using of surfactants must be used, which cause uh, micelle formation. Reducing the solubility by reducing the solubility of substances, drug can be protected against hydrolysis, complex formation. Formation of complexes must be done which protect the drug from effect of water. Chemical group under hydrolysis, esters, amides, nitrites. In esters, benzocaine, procaine, in amides, chloramphenicol, sulfonamides, procanamide. In nitrites, drugs containing NO2, NO3, and N2O. These are the examples. The in polymerization, then after hydrolysis, there's polymerization. Polymerization is a process which small repeating units called monomers are bonded to form a long chain polymer. Following factor induces polymerization: light, solvent, vehicle, pH, temperature. These are factors which induces the polymerization. Prevention measures prevent polymerization reaction during compounding, protection from light, use of vehicle, maintenance of pH, maintenance of temperature. These are the factors. Then combustion reaction. Such reaction takes place when pharmaceutical dosage form contain substances with different charges. Example, surfactant with positive and negative charges. Isomerization, then isomerization, is conversion of drug its isomers. It's called isomerization. Isomers have same molecular formula and different structural formula arrangement of atoms. There are two types of isomerization: optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism. The following factors induces isomerization: uh, solvent vehicle, pH, temperature, and impurities. These factors are induces the isomerization. Preventive measures to prevent isomerization of ingredients during compounding includes use of vehicle, maintenance of pH, maintenance of temperature, maintenance from impurities. So these are preventing measures. Then carboxylation reaction. In general, it can be understood by evolution of carbon dioxide during the formulation. Carbon dioxide is evolved if a carbonate or bicarbonate is dispensed in a liquid medicine containing an acid of an acidic drug. To prevent leakage of explosion, the reaction must be completed before the preparation is bottled. Preventive measures taken to prevent isomerization of ingredients during compounding: use of vehicle, maintenance of pH, maintenance of temperature. In loss, formation of insoluble complexes. Complexes are formed either due to drug or due to adjuncts used in formulation. Drugs tetracycline form complex with heavy metals moved with EDTA molecules. Adjuncts, many molecules adjuncts used with medicaments and preservations are bound to the macromolecules or trapped with its mescal within the macel. The behavior is most common in non-ionic macromolecules. Dear students, if you have any question, you can call me anytime you on WhatsApp, and we will discuss and revise after the opening of university, opening classes, physical classes. We will discuss all the topics which were discussed online. So, take care and fi amanullah. Allah Hafiz.